Latest enhancement of license module. Earlier, you could create the licenses one by one. So now we have provided an option to import the licenses in a bulk upload. Also, in this license module creation, we have included the different options of adding the provider name. So we will be renewing our licenses with the different providers, or we could maintain the same provider for each of our renewals. So we can mention the provider details, their contact informations, the license number of the each time renewal, the from date to date, and you can upload the renewal documents which is being used and received from the providers for a particular renewals. So in this license module, the major item is the license group. So you can create the license group like product renewal, AMC renewal, certificate renewal, like that. So when you group them, you can easily know what are all the different type of renewals which we are maintaining in the concerned organization. And there is an option of seeing the expiring license and the expired license. Expired license is the one which has already been expired, and expiring license which is the upcoming renewals. So you could filter it out and see based on the month wise, year wise, or in a custom option. So when you click year wise, and if you see the expiring license which is going to be expire for this year, and once you renew it, you can update the current renewal information and the concerned documents. So by this we could mention the renewal updates which we are maintaining in our organization based on an asset or based on a location. I hope this enhancement would be very helpful for maintaining the renewals which we are maintaining in the organizations. It can be any type of renewals. Thank you.